I'm Jasmine, and I was sent these footstool storage ottomans in 6 different options to check out for you. I love that they did this because we can check all these out and see which ones we like best. I'm gonna start with the black because I have both of these built right now. This is the black with a pocket, and it's made out of this sturdy plastic leather material that looks so beautiful and high-end. I love that this has a pocket because I can shove my remote right in there, or a magazine, or just things that I use regularly. With each one of these, I even got this pack of surprise gift stickers, which is so sweet. This is the 17 by 13 by 13, and it is a great size for storage. You can take your extra throw pillows and throw them inside of there, and there's still a ton of room, or you can even throw your extra couch blankets in here. I can't see where it says how much weight it holds, but it's definitely sturdy enough to put my feet on and relax like this. And there's even a picture of somebody sitting on one of these. And this feels like it's gonna hold me really well, even when I'm moving around. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting that to hold me, so I'm super impressed with that. So far I've shown you this black with the pocket, but you can also get it in the black with no pocket. And the ones with the pocket has it on one side and not the other. Then you can get it in this beautiful brown with no pocket, and this is the same beautiful brown fake leather material with the pocket. Now this is probably my favorite. I love this fabric gray. This is the darker gray, but they do have a light gray. These are just the colors they sent me, but they come in a variety of colors and sizes. They also sent this to me in the gray with a pocket, and this is how it comes. So this is the lid, and then you flip it over and kind of dump it out, and here is the bottom and the base. And I love how compact it is when you put it away. All the pieces just fit right inside the lid here. So to put it together, we're just gonna pop this open, and it folds down like that. Then we're gonna take this base piece. It even has a hook for when you wanna take it out. It's easy to grab. And we're just gonna shove that into the bottom. And that's gonna keep it in place and nice and sturdy. And here you can see that this one is gonna be the gray with the side pocket. Then from there, all you have to do is take this beautiful lid and pop it right on top. And it's that easy to put together. These are such great quality, and I'm so impressed with how much weight they can hold. I would definitely recommend these as a storage option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.